And if you see here, for the 3 months of data, we could see the total sales is this much and the sum of quantity this much. But after we have pushed this file, the feb.xls here, this file has more data in it. And we schedule the data refresh on cloud. After the refresh was successful, look here. If you click on the refresh rate, it shows completed. And if you go to the report and if you do the refresh here, you can see that 5,48,000 and 127, right? The quantity also got changed. So this concludes that our new file feb.csv got refreshed, which means the feb data got combined with the previously loaded 3 months data. So hope you understood the advantages of using folder connector, and also we have seen how to schedule the data refresh on cloud for the folder connector option.